Hello, this is Martin and I would like to show you how to create a cloze text in gapped. So I already found a short text on the internet which I would like to use, and I simply paste it here. And now I start selecting the words which I would like to have as a gap later. So I simply right click on the word and say turn selection into gap. Okay. So here we've got forecast, okay, also. And what I could do as well is I'll just, I could also press a keyboard shortcut, which is Command and G, like gap, and it will turn this word also into a gap. I can also select multiple words, Command and G once again. Okay. Or if I'd like to, I could also just select the parts, so parts of a word, and say turn selection into gap. And we've got the same effect here. Okay, let's do one or two more, Command and G. Okay, so that's it. So I can also see the counter here. I've got 8 gaps, about 1 minute reading time, which is fine. Okay, and now if I want to turn it into a gap text, I simply click on preview, and here we go. So what I could do now, I could just right click here and say, oops, sorry, just use the edit window and use select all or Command and A, and I could just copy that into my clipboard and paste it into my word processor and then go on from there. Use it in a worksheet or whatever. But I would like to point out a few of the adjustments here on the left hand side. So first of all, I can decide how my gaps are sized, if they are proportional to the original word length or if they should have an equal size, so that you cannot guess the word from the length of the word. Okay. Here we've got the chief executive gap, which is 2 words, and of course there's only one word or one hint here with 2 words, so this is very, very easy. So I can simply click on the checkbox here, hint multiple words, and it will show all gaps only as 1 word. Okay. I could also change the character for the gaps. I could have numbered gaps, okay. Makes things a little bit easier in class. Okay. Let's move on to the hints. I can decide where the hints should be placed, behind the gaps, behind the text, with a folding mark or no folding mark, or no hints at all. Well, I'd like to leave the hints here for now. I can add distractors. Okay, so I want to add here the word automobile, for example, and it shows up here in the gaps or in the hints, sorry, already. I could also have random distractors from the text. Okay, 1, 2, and it will add these random distractors up there. We can also obfuscate the hints, like anagrams, removed vowels, removed consonants, and so on. And last thing I can do here is I can also change the text of the task here at the top, just fill in something else here, and it will show up. And yeah, so that's the quick intro into how to create a gap text. What you could do at the end is also export as RTF or Word document, and so you can directly print that later on from Word, or you can also of course print from here. Okay, so thanks very much. If you're interested in the gapped application, just head over to gapped.de and you'll also find it on the Apple App Store. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.